Hope is a trick. It's a psychological trick. It's a bone in front of you that you will never catch.
Bakit kaya nasabi ni Sadhguru that hope is a trick? That we should not be hopeful? What I understand here is that we should learn to be happy with what we already have and not hope for something to happen para lang maging masaya tayo at ma-appreciate natin yung buhay natin. We all die and that could happen 30 years from now, 3 years from now, or 3 minutes from now. If we say, someday puputi din ako, someday yayaman din ako, someday gaganda din ako. What if hindi na natin abutin yung panahon na yun? Magiging miserable na lang ba ang buhay mo? If you decide to be happy now with whatever you have, then walang tao o bagay na makakakuha ng kasiyahan mo. Kasi your happiness doesn't depend on anything else. At dahil walang basihan ang kasiyahan mo, you will be happy just the way you are. Change your mindset, change your life.